Hey buddies, today we are going to draw this portrait of Terminator with Arnold Schwarzenegger. With just one pencil, you may use an HB pencil. I'm using a V pencil of Mono 100 of Tombow. As you see, I think Arnold Schwarzenegger has a very square face. And with just these lines, I'll guide all my drawing. Now, this is the place where the nose will be. This is a very rough portrait. It's not a hyper-realistic portrait, but it is almost my goal with this portrait is to show you can draw almost everything with just one pencil. In this case, a V pencil or an HB pencil, that they are almost the same. Okay, it's famous glasses. Okay, this part. This is one of my portrait drawing series. You have the full complete playlist of drawing on portraits of famous people in the description of this video. Remember, hairs are drawn this way with irregular and not continuous lines. Okay, we almost have our sketch, our preliminary sketch. The neck, very strong neck. If you are wondering, this portrait belongs to the Terminator 2 Part 2, okay? The first sequel of this saga. Okay. Now I have my sketch and I'll erase all my guidelines. Now I'm beginning with the first shadows. As we are using just one pencil, we must draw it in layers to achieve better shadows. And the first shadows, I made them with almost flat, with the pencil almost flat on the paper, as you can see. So I am preparing the surface of the paper for darker shadows. Always have very sharp your pencils. Okay. If you haven't done yet, subscribe to my channel, to this channel, and smash the thumbs up to support my channel, and if you wish to see more videos like this. As you can see, is this very I am changing the speed of the video and making it slower in the very important parts. But at the options of YouTube, you can put the video as slow as you wish. Okay. Achieve darker tones with just one pencil is not very difficult, but it is very hard because you have to redraw over and over until you until you get the darker tones that you wish. Okay, background a little darker. Now, some details. We just are with beginning drawing details, reinforcing shadows. Okay. This place is where the mechanic eye, the only mechanic eye is robotic eye, sorry. Okay. Now I leave you and let you see the video at your own pace. I hope you like this video and share with your friends. And see you soon in the next week. Be happy and draw a lot. Bye!